Hey y'all, so as you can see I'm getting a new exhaust on the 6.4 today. It's not a 6.4 exhaust either, it's a 6.7 exhaust, a 5-inch downpipe back exhaust. Get this one flipped over. Right, yeah, that's what it is. It is 5-inch. Y'all can see. Anyways, it comes with both axle pieces, both exit sides, the Y pipe, pipe, and to the 4-inch. The piece I won't need since mine's the, as I said, the 6.4, not the 6.7. It's for the stock downpipe. It comes with all your clamps and everything. It comes with this extra hanger for the driver's side part of the exhaust, so it'll hang on there. And this will be a little different than normal because, said, mine's already deleted and I ain't got to take anything off. So pretty much I'll just take my aftermarket exhaust and put this one on. See, it's axle dumped right now. 5-inch flow pro on this one. So anyways, we'll go ahead and take the old exhaust off and see where it goes. Alright, got the old exhaust out. See, it's not bad, but like I said, I like changing my mind. What it looks like, all this should fit when I get it up in there, fit it just right. See, the adapter goes in there, sorry. But it looks a little bit longer, but I think when I fit all these fittings in, it will fit. Not, you know, I might do some trimming, who knows. But we'll stay tuned for that. Alright, y'all, come on pretty good. Oh, I was thinking, dang, I ain't fitting, but look at the hangers, they're not slid in all the way because it might be easier on a 6.4 with a stock exhaust, but mine's aftermarket, so turbo back, and this piece right here is really long, so I'm going to get a metal cutting blade, cut this a little bit, and get it slid on there, and continue the project. Alright, got my foot put on. I'm going to have to move all these right here, because right down here, got to cut that pipe off a little bit for the 4-inch. It's a 5-inch. Mostly on the other exhaust, that 4-inch is way up in here, like about here inside. I don't know why they did that, but more leverage, I guess. But anyways, I got the blade. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut all that off. cut some of it off where I'll sit inside there and move. As you can see, move some of this up a little bit, or a pretty good bit. Anyways, I'll get back with y'all when I get done. I will get it on. It took me a little longer than expected because some of these clamps were being a bit of a pain because the pipe was a little off. One thing I did use was that my old clamp for my old exhaust to hold it up a little bit. And I did cut this piece. It was a little too long on the passenger side, about 3 inches. And yes, I made a rough cut. Don't judge me, but I just didn't cut it straight. See that this one's hanging down good, so I can probably put a 6 or 7 inch tip on it. This one, when I cut it, it was even. That one, but now as you can see, it went up just a little bit. Not much, but just enough I can see it. Otherwise, it looks good down there. Looks and sounds good. Go and start it up because I gotta move it anyways. Anyways, I like it. And yeah, it did take me a little longer than expected, but I like it. I like the dual exhaust look. And anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helps a little bit. If y'all feel like trying to put a 6.7 exhaust in 6.4, that's what I did on this one. Thank you.